Hello all. So today we are going to cover the most common mistakes in maths. These are the mistakes that I have observed personally in classroom, in tests, in exams. And ये mistakes करने वाले बच्चे दरअसल maths इतना ज़्यादा पसंद भी नहीं करेंगे. And it's very much necessary that you alleviate these mistakes, avoid these mistakes to improve your problem solving skills, your arithmetic skills, your mathematical skill. ओके तो चलो टाइम वेस्ट ना करते हुए हम मिस्टेक्स के डिस्कशन करते हैं. आई जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू टू सी द एंटायर वीडियो टिल द एंड, बिकॉज हो सकता है इसमें से कोई एक मिस्टेक आप करते होंगे हमेशा. ओके तो सबसे फर्स्ट कॉमन मिस्टेक 4x माइनस 8 अपॉन 4. जब ऐसा क्वेश्चन बच्चों ने देखा, मोस्ट ऑफन देन नॉट बच्चों ने 4 कैंसिल कर दिया है एंड x माइनस 8 को फाइनल आंसर रखा है. This is wrong. This is not the right answer. अच्छा 4x minus 8 upon 8. So how do we do it? At least there are two different ways you can think of. 4x minus 8 upon 4 के लिए what we can do is, the first is, जो नीचे जो 4 है, we can give it to both of the terms above. We can just give it to both, share it with both the terms at the numerator. कुछ इस तरह से 4x अपॉन 4. 4 हमने 4x को भी दे दिया, 4 हमने 8 को भी दे दिया. दिस इज वन ऑफ द वेज. तो 4 कैंसल, x माइनस 8 अपॉन 4 इज ऑब्वियसली 2. तो द राइट आंसर इज x माइनस 2. आपने क्या लिखा? x माइनस 8. दिस इज रॉन्ग. देयर इज वन मोर वे ऑफ डूइंग दिस, लाइक 4x माइनस 8 अपॉन 4 है. देखिए 4 कैंसल हमने क्यों नहीं किया या क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? बिकॉज बीच में माइनस है, तो वी कैन नॉट कैंसल इट. नाउ one more way is, like, we can simply take that 4 common. अगर आप देखेंगे न्यूमरेटर में 4 is common, right? 4x minus 8. 4 comes out as common. अंदर क्या बचेगा? x, because 4x में से 4 चला गया, x बचा, माइनस 8 में से 4 गया, यानी 8 divided by 4. 8 actually was what? 4 into 2. That 4 is absorbed out. What is still left inside is 2, right? That 2 still is there inside upon 4. So 4 cancel हुआ, answer is x minus 2. तो एनी विच वेज द आंसर इज x माइनस 2. ये पहला मिस्टेक. सेकेंड मिस्टेक, -3 का स्क्वायर. -3 का स्क्वायर. नाउ व्हेन दिस क्वेश्चन comes in the exams also, many people actually get confused. Most of the students are actually confused. -3 का स्क्वायर, they think -3 into -3 is 9. तो मैंने 9 ऐसे आंसर देखा है, which is again wrong. -3 का स्क्वायर ये नहीं है. It is not -3 का square. Only if that minus is enclosed in the bracket, we would have considered it as -3 into -3. Now for this, of course it is 9, but -3 का square यानी कि it is minus is separate. Minus is not included with 3. Minus is separate. 3 का square is 9. The right answer is -9. Third mistake, 6 minus 4 times x plus 3. 6 minus 4 times x plus 3. इसमें मिस्टेक्स मैंने क्या देखे हैं? 6 minus 4x is 4x, 4 3 is 12. बहुत कॉमन मिस्टेक है. इवेंचुअली with all the confidence in the world, they also proceed further, like 6 plus 12 is 18 minus 4x, and उन्हें लगता है कि आंसर उनका राइट है, but this is wrong. Why? इसका राइट आंसर इज दिस. 6 minus 4 times x plus 3 क्वेश्चन है. 6 minus 4 3 is minus 4 into x, sorry, 4x is minus 4 into x is minus 4x, which is correct. But minus 4 into 3 will be minus 12. It is not plus 12. It is minus 12. You can check. Minus and minus into plus is of course minus, right? So minus 4 into 3 is minus 12 instead of plus 12. Now it is 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So minus 6 minus 4x, this is the final answer. Okay, तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर जो है प्लस, do not take that sign only. Consider what is the sign outside, because we have to multiply that number which is there outside with the inside terms, right? So if it is minus outside, we know this, that all the signs inside the bracket change. All the signs will change. तो ये आपको ध्यान देना है. Fourth question, 4 into 2 raised to x is equal to 32 है, and we have to find the value of x. कैसे करते हैं बच्चे? 4 to the 8, 8 raised to x is equal to 32, ऐसा करते हैं, which is wrong. ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हम. 4 into 2 8 बना, 4 to the 8 raised to, ऐसा नहीं है, it is wrong. तो how to solve this is 4 into 2 raised to x is equal to 32. अगर क्वेश्चन है, we can send that 4 down. So 2 raised to x is equal to 32 upon 4. When that 4 ventures to the other side, it it gets into the denominator. It settles down. It goes below 32. Why? Because there's multiplication between 4 and 2 raised to x. Multiplication becomes division when the sign changes. Division becomes multiplication. Plus becomes minus. Minus becomes plus. This is the very normal formula that we have learned in mathematics. तो अभी आप बताइए 2 raised to x is equal to क्या? 8 है, right? 32 divided by 4 is 8. Therefore 2 raised to x is equal to 8 का मतलब क्या? 8 is 2 raised to what? 2 raised to 3, right? 2 into 2 into 2. Therefore x की वैल्यू क्या है? 3 है. We can always substitute the value and then check if it really is true. If really if left hand side is really equal to right hand side, आप हमेशा चेक करके देख सकते हैं. So this is how the fourth common mistake is. Next common mistake जो मैंने देखा है, it is 2 upon m is equal to, चलो मान लो 10 है. Most often than not, I have seen this mistake occurring in the exams. 2 upon m is equal to 10. बच्चों ने कैसे किया है? Therefore m is equal to 10 upon 2. कॉमनली देखा है, m is equal to 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. m is 5. आप इसको जरा यहां पर सब्स्टिट्यूट करके देखिए, 2 upon 5 होता है, it is not 10. अच्छा, इसका राइट तरीका क्या है सॉल्व करने का? 2 upon m is 10. There are many ways, of course, to solve it. First is balance it. Balance, the numbers or whatever to both the sides. Balance the terms to both left hand side and right hand side. How can we do that? ये नीचे का m मुझे परेशान करता है. Let us multiply both the sides with m. Let us multiply this with m and this with m. तो भी चलेगा. Multiply both the sides with m. Whatever is there at the denominator and the base, if that is what is disturbing us, just remove it by multiplying both the sides with the same term that is there at the base. m cancel हुआ, 2 is equal to 10m. Therefore m कितना होगा? 10 will go down, right? 2 upon 10, which is 1 upon 5. This is one of the ways. 1 upon 5. There is another way. I'll write the same equation. 2 upon m is equal to 10. आप एक काम कीजिए ना, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड फ्रैक्शन में, राइट? 2 upon m. राइट हैंड साइड भी फ्रैक्शन में करते हैं. 10 upon 1. Just put 1 below 10 because 1 is of course there. As it is, it's there. We can take 1. Now cross multiply this. m into 10 is equal to 2 into 1. m into 10 is 2. Therefore m is equal to what? 2 upon 10, which is 1 upon 5. Okay. Next common mistake जो मैंने देखा है, next common mistake, which is mistake number 6. minus 3x is equal to 12. अब बच्चों ने क्या किया है कि सर माइनस है तो उधर प्लस बनेगा, तो राइट, दे राइट इट एज 12 plus 3. आंसर इज 50. बड़े कॉन्फिडेंस में लिखा है, पूरा राइट है पेपर. 40 में से 40, 50 में से 50. This is not right. We cannot consider this symbol. We cannot say this is minus 3, so minus becomes plus. No. You have to consider the sign that prevails, that exists between the two terms. That separation is being made of minus 3 with x, right? Minus 3 and x was staying together. We're separating them. So minus 3 is getting separated with x. And what was the sign between these two? There was multiplication. Minus 3 into x. वही था ना? तो multiplication क्या बनेगा? Division. तो minus 3x is equal to 12 है. तो x क्या बनेगा? Minus 3 will go down. I know minus cannot stay down. आप minus को नीचे नहीं ऊपर भी लिख सकते तो भी चलेगा. In any given ratio of fraction, minus cannot stay down. तो ऊपर लिखिए minus तो भी चलेगा. शुरुआत में चाहो तो नीचे लिखिए. तो answer is 12 upon 3, which is 4. Final answer is minus 4. Okay. Okay. One more common mistake. X raised to 10 upon x raised to 5. X raised to 10 upon x raised to 5. कई लोग सोचते हैं 10 upon 5 है, 2 रहेगा, हो गया आंसर. x raised to 2, x का स्क्वायर. Again, it's a big mistake. X raised to 10 upon x raised to 5 cannot be x का स्क्वायर. It is actually like this. If you look at this question, x raised to 10 का मतलब क्या होता है? It is x, 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 ऐसे 10 times. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. And what do you mean by x raised to 5? 5 times x multiplying itself 5 times. तो कैंसिल 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 एक एक बार कैंसिल हुआ, ऊपर फिर भी देखिए 5 टाइम्स x बचा है ना, तो आंसर इज x is to 5. तो x raised to 10 upon x raised to 5. What does the topic indices say? It says this, that when there is division of any common term, x raised to 10 upon x, दोनों में x same है ना, we just write that term only once, and if there is division, both the numbers at the index, जो index जो है indices, वो subtraction में चला जाता है, division becomes subtraction, multiplication becomes addition. तो आंसर इज x raised to 5. ओके, तो इधर यू कैन थिंक अबाउट दिस कि ऊपर 10 बार थे, नीचे 5 टाइम्स था, कैसे कैंसिल खाली 5 टाइम्स, और एल्स यू कैन फॉलो द मेथड, द रूल. ओके, आई विल कवर द लास्ट वन नाउ. x का स्क्वायर अगर 36 है, x is equal to root 36 is equal to 6. But this is obviously right, but this is not the complete answer. This is correct, but this is not the complete answer. Remember this, that root 36 is not just 6, it is also minus 6. अगर आप word problems कर रहे हैं, in word problems, if we are dealing with let us say number of students, number of trees, number of TV, or maybe distance, any such thing in practicality which does not exist in negative, तो ये चलता है, 6 चलता है. But for any quadratic equation or anything that only involves to find the value of, only they ask to find the value of x and y or any variable, then we have to actually also consider the negative aspect. So 6 be a minus 6. So 100 का root is not just 10, it is 10 as well as minus 10. 121 का root is not just 11, it is 11 as well as minus 11. Okay. Thank you. I'll come up with more such common mistakes. जैसे जैसे मैं observe करूंगा, I'll come up with all those mistakes. I hope you get to learn a lot of maths in this, and you avoid any mistakes that you have been making in maths, and good luck. Thank you.